Explore a luxurious modern house featuring large windows and natural stone accents. A crystal-clear swimming pool sits among lush tropical plants bathed in vibrant natural sunlight. This luxurious modern villa boasts an open-plan living area beside a sparkling pool. Golden afternoon sun illuminates the wooden deck, lounge chairs, and lush tropical surroundings. Experience a luxurious modern house with a large pool at sunset. String lights add charm above the wooden deck, while glass walls reveal a warm, inviting interior. A luxurious villa features a contemporary design with a flat roof and large windows. A wooden deck surrounds the crystal-clear pool, reflecting the blue sky and greenery. Discover a luxurious backyard oasis with a sparkling turquoise pool and cascading water feature. A spacious wooden deck hosts a comfortable living area and shaded dining space. This luxurious outdoor space features a sparkling blue pool amidst tropical foliage. A modern deck offers a comfortable sectional sofa and a dining area under a stylish pergola. At twilight, a sleek minimalist couch sits on a marble patio facing a turquoise pool. Soft lighting illuminates dense tropical foliage, creating a serene and sophisticated atmosphere. A modern single-story house blends seamlessly with lush tropical foliage. Sunlight filters through the greenery, dappling the wooden deck and clear blue swimming pool with soft shadows. Expansive floor-to-ceiling windows showcase an open-plan living area in this modern villa. Outside, a turquoise swimming pool sparkles under bright daylight, surrounded by lush tropical palm trees. A rectangular pool centers this luxurious outdoor space. Plush sofas on a wooden deck and a dining table under a pergola offer perfect spots for relaxation. A luxurious modern villa features an infinity pool surrounded by tropical greenery. Large glass doors open to a wooden deck overlooking deep turquoise water and palm trees. This two-story modern villa combines white plaster and natural stone walls. A bright blue swimming pool awaits nearby, framed by vibrant tropical greenery and a stone pathway. A luxurious home features a long infinity pool glowing under a deep twilight sky. Large glass doors reveal a warm interior with a fireplace surrounded by palms. A rectangular pool with turquoise water sits beside a modern stone villa. Lush vegetation creates privacy around the wooden deck, while large windows reveal a cozy fireplace. Expansive glass walls open onto a lush tropical backyard oasis. A clear pool takes center stage, surrounded by sleek lounge chairs and an inviting outdoor dining area.